how people go through floodwaters. How mad is that? I just seen another one come through the floodwaters this morning. And I've got the same sort of car as that car that just went through. What a fucking madhouse. Look at the incidents of rain here. No wonder these people need to be named and shamed for fucking floodwaters like this. Mad motherfuckers. Crazy, mate, crazy. I just can't believe it. Can't believe it at all. Mad motherfuckers coming for floodwaters like this. No wonder there's SES out saving fucking people's asses because they don't understand. Don't drive through floodwaters. Simple as that. And I'm not crazy because I got my car still there. See, right in the distance. And I'm walking. Mad, mad, mad people. This is unbound. Shouldn't be driving on this type of road.